What is going on, electro drive enthusiasts? Get ready for a rapid-fire update that's going to blow you away. The news cycle is absolutely on fire, and we've got the inside track on the developments that are shaping the future right now. We're diving deep into the stories everyone will be talking about, so buckle up and prepare for a high-octane dose of what's happening next. First up, we're taking a hard look at the automotive giant BYD. Their latest figures are in, and they paint a complex picture of a company navigating a fiercely competitive market. We'll break down what these numbers mean for their production and sales, especially in the face of an intense price war that's shaking up the industry. Get ready for the full story. But BYD's story doesn't end there. We're also tracking their ambitious global expansion plans and how they're attempting to build resilience amidst this ongoing price war. Is their strategy paying off, or are they facing unprecedented challenges? We've got the insights you need. And finally, a new contender enters the ring with the 2026 BYD Sealion 6. This isn't just another model. It's a premium extended-range variant packing more power and a significant boost in electric-only driving. We'll explore what this means for the SUV market and how it stacks up against the competition. You're tuned into Electro Drive News, and the future starts now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Market turbulence hits EV leader. The global electric vehicle market is in constant flux, and the latest performance figures from Chinese automotive powerhouse BYD are offering a stark look at the pressures facing even the biggest players. In August, the company saw its production slide for the second consecutive month, a clear indicator of the challenging environment it's operating within. This dip in output is compounded by a significant 14.3% year-on-year decrease in domestic sales, a direct consequence of the brutal price war that has engulfed China's vast automotive sector. The intensity of this competition is forcing manufacturers to make difficult decisions, and BYD, despite its leading position, is not immune to these market forces. The company manufactured a total of 353,090 electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids worldwide last month, marking a 3.78% decline from the previous year. This follows a similar pattern seen in July, which recorded a 0.9% drop in production, according to the company's monthly filing with the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. These figures are particularly noteworthy given BYD's recent quarterly results, which revealed its profit fell for the first time in 3.5 years. This downturn in profitability serves as a critical signal that the relentless drive to maintain competitiveness in the world's largest auto market is beginning to impact the bottom line of the world's biggest EV producer. Analysts are closely watching how BYD will adapt its strategy to navigate this period of intense price competition and fluctuating demand, as the company's ability to maintain its growth trajectory is being tested like never before. The implications extend beyond BYD, offering a glimpse into the broader health and competitive dynamics of the electric vehicle industry as a whole, particularly in key markets like China. The industry is at a critical juncture, and BYD's performance is a key barometer for understanding these ongoing shifts. This situation is creating a ripple effect across the industry, with many wondering if BYD's dominance can withstand this prolonged period of market pressure. Next, we'll delve into how BYD is attempting to counter these challenges through strategic global expansion and resilience in its growth narrative. Hold on tight, because the story of BYD is far from over. We're now going to explore their ambitious global expansion and how they're aiming to stay ahead in this volatile market. Navigating the storm, BYD's global ambitions amidst a price war. While domestic sales figures might be showing signs of strain, BYD's narrative of growth is increasingly being defined by its strategic push into international markets. The company is actively pursuing a global expansion strategy, aiming to offset any slowdowns in its home market by capturing new customer bases worldwide. This dual approach is crucial for maintaining its momentum and solidifying its position as a global automotive leader. The ongoing price war in China, while challenging, is also seen by some as a catalyst for BYD to diversify its revenue streams and reduce its reliance on any single market. by investing heavily in overseas production facilities and building stronger distribution networks in regions like Europe and Southeast Asia, BYD is laying the groundwork for sustained growth. This global ambition is not just about selling more cars. It's about establishing BYD as a formidable competitor on the world stage, capable of challenging established automakers with its innovative technology and competitive pricing. The company's resilience in this narrative is being tested, but its proactive approach to international markets suggests a long-term vision that extends far beyond the current domestic market fluctuations. Analysts point to BYD's success in securing partnerships and regulatory approvals in various countries as evidence of its robust international strategy. This expansion is also supported by its continued investment in research and development, particularly in battery technology and electric powertrains, which are key differentiators in the global EV race. The company's ability to adapt its product offerings to meet the diverse needs and preferences of international consumers will be critical to its success. Furthermore, BYD's commitment to sustainability and its vision for a greener future resonate well with global trends and consumer demand for eco-friendly transportation. The company's growth narrative, therefore, is intricately linked to its ability to execute this ambitious global expansion plan while simultaneously navigating the intense competitive landscape at home. The success of this strategy will not only determine BYD's future, but also significantly influence the trajectory of the global electric vehicle industry. This strategic pivot highlights BYD's determination to weather the storm and emerge stronger on the international stage. Prepare for a deep dive into their sales targets and the potential impact of production slides on their ambitious goals. But can they hit those targets? We're about to find out. Stay tuned as we analyze BYD's annual sales targets and the challenges they face in achieving them. BYD's ambitious target in jeopardy as August sales show mixed signals. BYD, the Chinese automotive titan, is facing a critical juncture as its August sales figures reveal a complex picture, potentially jeopardizing its ambitious annual sales targets. On Monday, the company announced it sold 373,626 vehicles in August, a figure that shows a sequential increase of 8.9% from July, with 371,501 of those being passenger vehicles. This month-on-month improvement is a welcome sign, especially after a dip in July where passenger vehicle sales dropped by 40,000 units compared to June. However, the year-over-year comparison paints a less optimistic scenario, with August sales representing a mere 0.17% increase compared to the same period last year. More concerning is the production data, which indicates a decline for the second consecutive month, a streak not seen since mid-2020. This marks a significant challenge for BYD, which had set a formidable target of selling 5.5 million units by 2025. To achieve its current annual goals, the company must now sell nearly 2.7 million units in the remaining 4 months of the year, a daunting task given the recent production slowdowns and the fierce price war in China. The company's sales from January to August reached over 2,825,802 units, marking a 21.9% increase compared to the first 8 months of 2024. This growth is largely driven by battery electric vehicles, BEVs, which saw a 12.2% sequential increase and a 34.4% year-over-year rise in registrations, accounting for over half of BYD's sales in August. In contrast, plug-in hybrid, PHEV, sales have declined for 5 consecutive months year-on-year, with August sales falling by 22.7% despite a slight sequential increase. This shift towards BEVs is a significant trend, with fully electric vehicles now consistently representing over 50% of the brand's total sales. Overseas registrations, however, showed remarkable strength, surging by 155.8% year-on-year to reach 80,464 vehicles in August, although this was a slight decrease from July's figures. BYD's popular Dynasty and Ocean series continue to lead sales, with the Chin family models and Seal sedans and SUVs performing strongly. Yet, the more affordable Seagull family saw a dip in August sales compared to July. Adding to the pressure, BYD's recent second quarter earnings revealed a 29.9% drop in net profit compared to the previous year, despite a 14% revenue increase. This profit decline, the first in over 3 years, underscores the impact of the price war on the company's profitability, even as revenue grows. The company is now in a race against time to ramp up production and sales in the final quarter to meet its targets. This scenario raises critical questions about BYD's ability to meet its aggressive targets amidst production challenges and a competitive market. Prepare for a closer look at a new variant that's aiming to shake up the SUV segment with enhanced performance. Can this new model help BYD regain its footing? We're shifting gears to explore the latest addition to BYD's lineup, the 2026 Sealion 6 and its premium extended-range capabilities. BYD elevates its SUV game with the 2026 Sealion 6 Premium Extended Range. BYD is further solidifying its presence in the competitive SUV market with the introduction of a new flagship variant for its popular Sealion 6 plug-in hybrid, the 2026 BYD Sealion 6 Premium Extended Range. This latest offering is designed to attract buyers seeking enhanced performance and extended electric-only driving capabilities, all while maintaining a competitive price point. The new variant builds upon the well-equipped Premium Standard Range model, incorporating the same high level of equipment, a potent turbocharged engine, and an all-wheel drive system, but crucially adds the larger 6 kWh extended range battery pack. This upgrade positions the Sealion 6 Premium Extended Range as the quickest grade within BYD's plug-in hybrid SUV lineup. It boasts an impressive claimed acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h in just 5.5 seconds, powered by a combined output of 253 kW, a notable increase from the 238 kW offered in the standard range models. This enhanced performance is attributed to the combination of a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder petrol engine, producing 96 kW and 220 Nm, working in tandem with front and rear electric motors delivering 150 kW/300 Nm and 120 kW/250 Nm, respectively. The larger battery pack provides a significant boost in electric-only range, rated at 128 km according to NEDC lab testing, which is a crucial selling point for eco-conscious consumers. This contrasts with the 81 km NEDC range of the Premium Standard Range model. Pricing for this new top-tier variant starts from $52,990 plus on-road costs. A sticker price identical to the Premium Standard Range model, it sits above, making the enhanced range and performance a compelling value proposition. The Sealion 6 range now comprises 5 distinct models, starting with the Essential trim at $42,990 plus on-road costs, offering a standard range battery and a slightly lower equipment level. The fuel efficiency figures also reflect the larger battery, with the Premium Extended Range claiming 1.1 liters per 100 kilometers when the battery is between 100% and 20% charge, and 5L/100 km when the charge drops to 20% or below under NEDC protocols. The interior remains consistent with the premium grade, featuring luxurious appointments such as leather-look upholstery, power-adjustable heated and ventilated front seats, a large 15.6-inch rotating touchscreen with seamless wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, a head-up display, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium 10-speaker Infinity sound system. The availability of Michelin tires, previously an option, has been removed from the latest specification sheet to align with the opening of orders for the new variant. This strategic release of a higher performance, longer-range model demonstrates BYD's commitment to innovation and its understanding of market demands, aiming to capture a larger share of the growing plug-in hybrid SUV segment. This new variant is set to make waves in the premium SUV segment, offering a compelling blend of performance and efficiency. We've covered a lot of ground today, but we're not done yet. Let's quickly recap the biggest stories of the day. Get ready for a lightning-fast rundown of all the major updates we've covered. And that's a wrap on another electrifying episode of Electro Drive News. We saw BYD's production and sales dip in August amid a fierce price war, but they're pushing forward with global expansion. Their annual sales target is now at risk as production slides continue. However, BYD is also launching the powerful 2026 Sealion 6 Premium Extended Range, aiming to boost its SUV lineup. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge updates, ring that notification bell so you're always in the loop, drop a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels to stay connected. We'll see you next time.